Get one.
There's some right there.
Hi, Anthony.
You gotta turn the hot dog so it won't burn.
They were hot now. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. A little bit. Dada.